Guys, there was squishy hole, so I had to delete the other one. First, well, let me show myself. First, I have a banana squishy. It's not like the squeezy type. It's like clay, like the cheese squishy type. So this is really good. Actually, would recommend it though. I don't know if I showed it last part, but like it's mini fuzzballs. But tell me if I'm wrong. So I have opened all of them because I had to delete the last one I made and posted, and then I couldn't post the one that I wanted to make. Next we have a Smushers. This has so much air, so I'm gonna get pink one, and it's gonna have less air. I think I got scammed though. That's fine. It's like, I love this. Crunchy hard but also soft. I actually really love this. I love it. And then I have mini dumpling. This mini dumpling. Wait, did I show this one? So, sorry. Yeah, I already showed that one. I'm gonna organize all my squishies again. This one. And I already opened it. It's a crunchy. Yeah. I'm going to get a squishy maybe another day. But like, yeah. And then we have a, oh, not this one. Oh my god, Smush's face. It's a fake jelly squish, but like, that's fine. My actual real one popped. And that's so rare. Like, I mean, all the insides came out. We got a, coconut oil bowl. I want to get the grapes so bad. And finally, personally, my favorite, the Nido donut. It's not a Taba, so that means it's not fake. Anyway. See? And then you can also take off the cream. Unlike my ice creams and my popsicles when I used. Did y'all just see that? No. No, we cannot. We cannot be joking. Okay, bye guys. That just popped.